To define a new function, select New Logic from the menu on the left. After viewing the function block in the function name is field, we can enter the name of the function. In the typing section, we can specify how to send information from the client to the server, which is one of the HTTP GET or HTTP POST methods. In the input section, you can see the default parameters of function. By default, there are two parameters, one of the type string and one of the type number for our function. To change the parameter name, just click on the parameter name and select the Rename Variable option. We can enter the name of the desired parameter and click the OK button. To change the number of parameters, we can add them to the list of parameters in the function settings. We can also delete additional parameters using the delete key on the keyboard. We can also change the order of the parameters with the mouse dragging. To specify the output of the function in the object section, select the return block. For example, we want to write a function that displays the sum of two numbers for us. First, we name the function sum, then add two numeric parameters to the list of parameters in the function settings. We rename the parameters, first one to x and the second one to y. In the math section, we can calculate the sum of two numbers using a mathematical operation block. To use the function parameters in the object section, we use the item block. The first parameter is x and the next parameter is y, and at the end we click the save button. After save, URL function is visible. To test, we copy URL and the value 10 for the parameter x and the value 7 for the parameter y. In the result section of the sum, the number 17 is seen. If the process of executing the function encounters a problem, the has error section becomes true, and the error messages appear in the message section.
Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more tutorials on using appmaker.com.